There are 8 home building and renovating shows across the year, covering the whole of the UK.
We enjoy being at the shows. They give us the opportunity to meet people who are building new houses, renovating. We can meet people from across the whole of the country by doing the different shows.
We really enjoy coming to the Homebuilding and Renovating Show. It allows NEBE to have direct interaction with our customers.
Companies and enterprises of all sizes exhibit at the home building and renovation shows, from multinational household names to small family-run businesses to individual sole traders.
We come to the Homebuilding Renovation Show every year to help expand our business. We get fantastic leads. We're a small, independent, family-run business.
It gives us a company that is one of the largest suppliers of bathrooms and tiles in the UK, the opportunity to speak with homeowners and developers alike.
Although we sell just to the trade, we just want to get some brand awareness and explain why our products are different and better than the competition.
Home building and renovating has been part of our exhibition calendar for several years. It's the perfect place for us to speak to a large number of homeowners.
We come back to the home building and renovating shows every year. They're great for us for lead generation, really good return on investment for us. They're one of the best shows that we do.